हेलो नमस्कार। और मैं आ गई हूँ कुछ नई चीज़ें के बारे में बात करने के लिए। कुछ ऐसी जो हमारी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में चीज़ें होती हैं। अक्सर हमें सवाल पूछते हैं, ये सही है या ये गलत है। पूछते हैं कि नहीं पूछते? तो क्या सही है और क्या गलत है? क्या गलत है बताइए। गलत कुछ भी नहीं है। गलत तब होता है जब आप किसी का दिल दुखाएं, किसी को हर्ट करें। अब वो किसी आप खुद भी हो सकते हैं। इफ़ यू हर्टिंग योर सेल्फ बाय नॉट डूइंग द राइट थिंग फॉर यू, दैट्स ऑल्सो रॉन्ग। हर चीज़ सही है ज़िंदगी में, हर चीज़ परफेक्ट है ज़िंदगी में। इम्परफेक्शंस, फॉल्ट्स, रॉन्ग हम खुद ढूंढते हैं। यस। और सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम वहाँ आती है कि हम नेगेटिव्स को ज़्यादा देखते हैं, पॉजिटिव्स को हमेशा हम लोग वी ट्राई टू डाइसेक्ट द पॉजिटिव, बिकॉज हमें लगता है कि ज़िंदगी में कुछ पॉजिटिव हमारी ज़िंदगी में हो ही नहीं सकता आराम से। अगर कुछ हो रहा है तो हम हमेशा एक गलत चीज़ को, एक रॉन्ग को ऐसे पकड़ लेते हैं जैसे कि वो एक सबसे बड़ा सच है। और जो सच होता है उसको हम 10 बार क्या 100 बार उसको एक अग्नि परीक्षा में गुजारते हैं कि आर यू रियली द ट्रूथ, है ना? वी ऑल डू दैट। बट क्या है कि जैसे जैसे चीज़ें बढ़ती जा रही हैं और जैसे जैसे इस पैंडेमिक के थ्रू भी अगर हम देखें तो जैसे एक खबर आती है इतने केसेस आ गए, उसकी डेथ हो गई, या वहाँ पे केसेस बढ़ गए हैं, या वहाँ ऐसा कुछ हो गया विच इज़ नेगेटिव, एंड वी एक्सेप्ट इट बिकॉज वी फील दैट्स राइट। वी आर सो अट्यून्ड इन आवर ब्रेन्स। जो गलत है उसको हम बहुत पावर देते हैं, जो सही है उसको हम एक्सक्यूज मी, आर यू द ट्रूथ, हम हमेशा ऐसे ही बोलते हैं। But the problem is that with our system, our DNAs, that we have taken it into our so-called understanding कि जो चीज़ें गलत हैं वो हमें सबसे ज़्यादा प्यारी हैं, जो चीज़ें सही हैं उसको हम हमेशा एक टेलीस्कोपिक व्यू लगा के देखते हैं, फिर माइक्रोस्कोपिक व्यू लगा के देखते हैं, फिर बाइनोकुलर्स लगा के देखते हैं, एंड वी कीप चेकिंग इट आउट ऑल द टाइम। क्यों? सच को एक साथ एक्सेप्ट करना इतना मुश्किल क्यों हो गया है हमारे लिए? Is it because that we have always been attuned to take the negatives in our stride easily? गलत चीज़ों को हम ज़्यादा अच्छे से पकड़ते हैं, गलत जो होता है उसको हम ज़्यादा पावर देते हैं। जैसे कि आपने हमेशा सुना होगा या समझा भी होगा कि हम हमेशा बोलते हैं कि जो बुरी चीज़ें हैं उनको अगर आप ज़्यादा पावर देंगे वो और बढ़ती हैं। लाइक अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है उसको हम ज़्यादा पावर देंगे तो प्रॉब्लम्स और मैग्नीफाइड होती है। द सेम हैपन्स विद आवर ट्रूथ and the wrongs and the pain or anything or the fears for that matter. तो right and wrong कैसे choose करेंगे? Well, अगर आप right को कॉन्शियसली उसको आप वेटेज देंगे, उसको पावर देंगे, उसको उसकी जगह देंगे, you will see the changes coming in your life, which is like everything is right, everything is perfect. For example, बहुत simple सी चीज़ है, अगर you say I don't have a perfect body, the moment you are subjugating your body by questioning it, your body will respond to it in the same way that it's not perfect. So we always tell people, love your body, love yourself, love whatever you're doing, give your 100% to what you're doing so that your body works towards your betterment, heals better, वर्कआउट करते हैं उसका रिजल्ट बेटर देगा, एंड everything will fall in place. But for that we only have to work, because अगर हम लोग बॉडी को बोलेंगे अरे मैं यहाँ से मोटी हो रही हूँ या मोटा हो रहा हूँ, या मेरा ये चेहरा अच्छा नहीं है, या मेरे हाथ अच्छे नहीं है, whatever we have been gifted is by the God, and He never ever does anything wrong. Why? Because He knows what's right for us. हम सबको कुछ सोच के बनाया गया है, उसके अंदर कुछ गलत तो कुछ सही नहीं होता है. It's always right, it's always perfect. Like the nature is perfect. Nature की जो fury होती है through cyclones or through anything that is happening at the moment is nature's way to retaliate of what is not being done right by us. Because nature has made everything perfectly. We humans have done the wrongs. Yes, the wrongs. Because we always felt that we are progressing. Technological advancements hai. We are getting the best and the best cars. We are getting the best laptops. We are getting the best 5G network. Everything is for our communication, transportation, the better life. पर जब आप हर चीज़ को एक्सेस में बेटर करते जाते हैं, there is always the side effects that comes to it, and the side effects is what happens is the global warming. So when global warming happens, it just goes kaput, because we are just not doing the right thing in the right way. The slow and steady wins the race is a very old adage which has been there, that do make a change. But in this whole human race, everything is like a sprint, not even a marathon for that matter. It's a sprint. Everybody wants to do fast, fast, fast. So when we do everything fast, we are taxing everything that's happening around us. And when you're taxing everything around us, it will happen. Boom! So, कहने का मतलब सिर्फ इतना है कि हमने बहुत सारी गलतियाँ की हैं इस भाग दौड़ की ज़िंदगी में. The way things are shaping up around us now, even this pandemic is the result of that. Because every nation is vying to be one-upmanship. Every nation wants to be a superpower. But as we say, it's a pyramid. There could be only one superpower. There cannot be too many superpowers. So in that scenario, the whole world, the whole globe has gone to a tangent, which is causing the global warming, which is causing this pandemic, which is causing so many people dying, which is causing, again, every fight around ourselves is one-upmanship. Whether you, let's go near around ourselves, it's up, the thing which is happening in Maharashtra as I stay in Bombay. So what is happening in Maharashtra is like the conflicts of egos is there, which is the center and the state. Some people, when Arnab Goswami got arrested, they were super happy. But when he got released, they were like, oh my God, you must be very happy now because he got released. Somebody questioned me. I said, I'm happy because it's not Arnab per se. It is state versus center. Secondly, the attack on NCB that happened in Maharashtra, in Bombay, is so wrong. Because NCB is a government body. They are doing their job. They've been assigned to do their job. You cannot attack. Attack in any which ways is wrong. अगर आप कहीं जा रहे हैं, अगर आप पे कोई अटैक करता है, वो भी चीज़ गलत है. So why do we feel so insecure that we can take the law in our hand? Why are we so helpless, powerless? I fail to understand that we resort to these kind of things and we say we are right. No, you're not right. Because you're causing more harm to yourself by doing it. You don't understand that. whosoever you are. I don't know you people. What I'm trying to say, you are mere puppets. We all are puppets in the larger picture of this world, this nation, this state, whatever you have to call it. We are the mere puppets. So do we have our own brains to understand the thing, or we are going to be governed by the so-called mighty people who have the power to do the things which they think is right because it serves their purpose? Yes, their purpose. It's not your purpose. But you are just doing this thing because you think, oh yeah, I can do it because I'm being told to do it, because you think you're perfectly right in doing the thing. But my dear friends, let me tell you one thing very honestly, that any kind of attack on anybody is wrong. You thinking that you are doing it right is wrong. You thinking you have the power in your hand, you're wrong. Because all these wrongs are hurting you, harming you, and not doing anything good for you. Momentarily, you might feel, I've done my job, I'm fine, my boss is happy. In the long run, you shall understand that you did it absolutely wrong. So my point of view is that please wake up. Wake up, you masses, you old people who vote, wake up. Because when you start using your brains, when you start using your wisdom, when you start using your intellectual, हर एक इंसान के पास में एक जिगर होता है जो समझता है. आप हमेशा भेड़ चाल में नहीं चल सकते. You need to understand the right and the wrong for your own good. So again, remember, if you're doing any harm to anybody, anything wrong, is that even if you are harming in the long run to yourself, you're wrong. And that wrong has to be abolished. That wrong has to get over. That wrong has to stay. Namaste. Because हम खुद को harm कर रहे हैं, हम लोगों को harm कर रहे हैं, हमें कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. Maybe कुछ रुपए, maybe कुछ समय की security, और उसके बाद क्या? जैसे ही सब बदलेंगे ना ऊपर के, आप लोग भी हिल जाएंगे. Then what? Question it to yourself. You'll find your answers. That's right and wrong I'm going to teach you today, or I'm going to tell you today, or that's the way I feel about it. अगर आपको लगता है कि मेरे विचार गलत है, मुझे कमेंट्स में लिखिए. अगर आपको लगता है सही है तो भी कमेंट्स में लिखिए. बट ये मेरा सही और ये मेरा गलत है. ये मैं समझती हूँ कि मैं अगर किसी को नुकसान पहुँचाऊँगी तो वो मेरे लिए गलत है, मेरी आत्मा के लिए गलत है. And that's not right. We are nobody to judge anybody, and I'm not judging anybody. I'm just saying it very honestly as a citizen of this country that who are we? We are everything only if we do collectively the right stuff. Think right, do right, be right. Don't harm yourself just because somebody said that you got to do it. Thank you. God bless you. Love you all.